Hello, my darlings, and welcome to What's the Buzz this week, our Hurricane Florence edition of What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Mr. Riccio. I'm Miss Hardy. We have power here in Clayton at my house. We did lose it periodically on Friday night, but it was back on Saturday. And I have readjusted our schedule, and I'm hoping that we have school tomorrow. So this What's the Buzz is as if I will get to see my babies on Monday, September the 17th. Just to update, we are still scheduled, as far as I know, to have our teacher work it on this Wednesday, the 19th. If anything changes, check the school website and check our Twitter page. But we're going to have our vocabulary quiz on Monday. And then we're going to start our poetry analysis. We'll do that Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Your HyperDoc and your interactive notebook will be checked on Tuesday. So calm the panic down. Breathe. You have until Tuesday. On Friday, we're going to do an introduction to our unit performance assessment, which is our big unit end project fun time. And we're going to have a formative assessment similar to the one we had on theme on vocabulary and context on Friday the 21st. If anything changes, don't forget to check our Twitter page. Don't forget to check the Wake County Twitter page, the Middle Creek High School page. And I look forward to seeing my babies when we come back tomorrow. I'm going to do another video about ethos, pathos, and logos and how that is impacting how we view Hurricane Florence. I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.